Hello, little dreamers! Welcome to DreamNest Kids! Let's start today's magical adventure! Welcome to DreamNest Kids! Follow the emerald bird! Oops, Finn made us laugh. Let's explore the whispering forest together. The whispering forest is completely quiet. Can you stay super quiet like Benny and listen carefully?
The glowing leaf gently showed the way, and soon a giant ancient tree appeared before the little heroes.
The whispering tree tried to wake up, but something important was missing. What could it be? The glowing leaf matched the empty place perfectly. Was this the missing piece of the whispering tree? Benny found the missing piece! The whispering tree woke up. The whispering forest came alive again. Flowers bloomed, butterflies danced, and happy little animals returned home. The whispering tree thanked the heroes, but another magical place needed help. The crystal waterfalls were losing their magic. The magical path carried the little heroes toward a brand new land filled with shining blue crystals. What a beautiful place!
The crystal waterfalls were beautiful, but their magical blue crystal was fading fast.
The tiny blue crystal showed a secret path behind the waterfall. A hidden cave was waiting for the little heroes.
Deep inside the crystal cave, the heroes found the blue crystal heart. But dark magic was trapping its light.
The rainbow crystal chased away the dark magic, and the blue crystal heart sparkled with magical light again. The blue crystal shined again. The waterfalls sparkled, rainbows returned, and the magical valley was full of life.
The magical blue orb thanked the heroes and showed the rainbow heart tree growing brighter with every brave adventure. The happy heroes followed the rainbow path home. Another magical place was saved, and the rainbow heart tree shined even brighter.
2 magical lands were saved! The rainbow heart tree grew brighter than ever. But far away, a frozen mountain still needed brave little heroes. Who was hiding behind the giant ice crystal? Thank you for watching, little friends! We had so much fun learning with you today. Click subscribe and join the DreamNest Kids family for more magical adventures. Bye-bye!